So on the team page, the primary objective of this page would be to simply add new team members, but obviously this is also where the team members will access their dashboard. And so if we were going to add a new team member, we would simply use the templates over here on the new blue button. If we click on the down caret, we only have one template, and I am going to right now make that the default. I'm not sure why it's not. Should be. And so now if you were to use this new option over here on the left side, or just click the new button without coming to the template, it would utilize this new team member template as opposed to creating an empty template. And if you want to edit the new team member template, you would click on the three dots here and you would edit it, and you could edit any of these components, and we'll talk about each of these individual items here when there's actually a instructions button for each area, and so each one of those will be covered in a video specific to daily tech triggers and weekly report outs and so on. Once you've edited a template, now you do have this banner across the top kind of reminding you that you're not working on a team member, you're working on the template, and it will stay there the whole time. And once you're done editing the template, you would leave, and then if you wanted to create a new person, you would either click the new button or the down caret and click that, or come over here and click this. And we have several views here. The first view is the active team members, and then any inactive team members. I don't have any. And anyone who applied for a job but you chose not to hire them would go to the inactive view. And once you've added a new team member here, the only thing you need to do after that is just change the name, the sample names. It would say, as the template does, if we come here to the template, it would say new team member right here where this says team member 1, team member 2, and you would just change that name to the team member's name, and then you would link to their Notion account. Here you can see I've linked to two of my accounts, Bobo Buckley and Robert Buckley, and so these should say, if they were real team members, Bobo Buckley here and Robert Buckley here, and then that will be used throughout the program when we use the Me filter. And that is it for the team page.